Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to once again. Today we will learn how to make button circle text in PowerPoint. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to make button circle text. Select the text, then go to the shape format menu and click the text effect drop down menu. Then go to the transform option and we can see here many transform option. We find and select the button circle. Then we can see here the button circle. We select it. Then resize the box to make this circle button. Select the text and resize the box using the pen to make this text button. Then we can see we make this text button circle very easily. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.